We told you all you need to do is study. But there are only jobs for those of us who can sell themselves. And the first thing about selling yourself is the document that you carry with you. The document that we call a CV. And that's why we are here today. So the importance of a career clinic, and especially one that we're doing, is how do we bring the youth, the unemployed youth, closer to the people that would hire them.
Dorcas Ndorito. I run Women in HR Kenya.
Paula Rogito. I am a seasoned HR practitioner.
Purity Nderi.
Bata Kowido.
Susan Kamau is my name.
My expectation or my hope for anyone who's attending the career clinic is to live with a better understanding about how to present their documentation, their CVs, how do you get into LinkedIn.
So I'm going to be walking you through a very quick process about mastering your application. Now we're going to talk about CVs.
Whenever we are interviewing, especially entry-level jobs for the Gen Zs, you get to see people who come in when they are ill-prepared.
They're not keen to actually review their CVs thoroughly.
So I'm here to offer my expertise to all of you and see if I can help one or two people.
How do you sell yourself by setting yourself apart from everyone who also has almost equal skills as you? So the group sessions were first very eye-opening.
So we were asking questions and getting the answers for our questions.
I have learned the layout of the CV, what to include and not what to include.
For one job in Kenya, how many people do you think apply? About 1,000, 1,500. All I need is very quickly identify how can I make sure I can only speak to 5 people out of 1,500. And that's why this session with Sue is very important.
We are many, but how do we sell ourselves? So it is something that really stood out.
Basically, the format we were using was not very good.
I'm sure I'm going to start over. I'm going to rewrite my CV.
So I want to show you guys what we in recruitment are coming up with to make our work easier.
Remove your phone. We're exercising. We're doing this practically. We are saying strategies to get your application noticed, isn't it?
Yusudi have been helping IFAC to be able to produce candidates who can be able to market themselves.
If you compare IFAC to a university, our transition into the job market is faster than any other university, because you're talking about 60% within 12 months of graduation, and when you look at the best university, University of Nairobi, is 34%.
I feel confident.
I feel very happy, given such knowledge for free. I feel happy.
That ability for you to be seen is extremely important. And it doesn't have to be at the front seat. It can be on LinkedIn. It can be in an interview. It can be in many ways.
So I am hoping that they have carried this information with them to heart, that they've been well enlightened on what the recruiter is looking at, and that they will be well prepared for either the job interviews or the job market.